welcome back to my tag channel. For today's video, guys, it's Friday night. Correct.
Yes.
So Jax and I'm with Jax, of course.
Oh yeah, hello. I didn't realize the camera was on me. Yes, I'm Jax.
So nighttime, guys, we are going for a night get out. So because it's Friday freedom here in Melbourne, guys, pwede na lumabas. So Jax, we are going where?
To the Lunar drive-in cinema in Dandenong.
Yes.
Yes, it's the closest drive-in. There's 3 in Melbourne, and yeah, I'd say Dandenong's our closest, apart from Coburg and Dramana. So yes, we're going to go there and watch a movie.
Yes, guys, so we are going to watch a movie while we are inside of our car. So it's a drive-in cinema. So hindi ka na pwedeng ano tawag dito, hindi ka na pwedeng sit down sa cinema. Ito yung coolest cinema ever. It's a drive-in. Tapos mamaya sasabihin namin kung ano yung mga nandun, ano yung makikita nyo. So we will find out how many cars because the ticket is sold out already. So we are going to watch Shang-ChiandLegendTenRings. Why there's
Rings.
a 1?
It should be 10 rings. Maybe that's the cinema number.
Yeah, it's Shang-Chi. Yeah, Shang-Chi yan. Ayan. See, Shang-Chi and Legend 10-1, guys. 10 rings.
It's 10 rings. One, I think that's the field we're in. Because there's 4 fields at the drive-in.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, 4 movies are playing tonight, and I think we're in the first one.
So they have a big, wide, huge wide screen there, guys. I will tell you later. So it's already 6:43.
Yeah,
and
it's
now
starting to get a bit, not dark, but yeah, obviously you want to watch the movie in darkness, but yeah, it's starting to get to dusk now.
Yeah, so you see earlier we have a lot of sweets there, popcorns on the plastic bag at the back, and we bring our fridge, the Jax fridge at the back, guys, there to be we put our drinks there.
Oh yes, we've got plenty of Cokes. I think there's Pepsi there as well, plus Big, and I think I've got energy drinks plus the chocolate bars.
So ayan na nga, guys, mamaya ay may update ko kayo kung anong meron doon, kung ilang bang mga cars ang nandun sa drive-in, kasi nga first time ni InDaynaMo. That's my first time, Jax.
Yeah, I don't think they're common in the Philippines. I think they trialled it when COVID hit Manila and they started to do drive-in movies, but I don't think it's a common thing in the Philippines. So
yes, guys, so that's my first time, and we will find out kung kamusta ang ating experience dun later. So now just sit back and relax. So we are driving now. So Jax pala is the one who drive for tonight. So ngayon ay ayan na, guys. Ayan, it's near 7 o'clock, guys, but still very
yeah, so much for daylight savings. It's probably gonna be dark by 7. The street lights are already on, so yeah, I think it's going to be dark early tonight. I think it's meant to rain, so hopefully it's not going to rain while we're watching a movie, but fingers crossed, or else we're going to have to use windscreen wipers as we watch the movie.
Okay, guys, so ayan na nga, guys. Pero bago kami pumunta doon, kakain pala muna kami. I forgot to tell you pala na we are going to have our dinner first bago tayo mag-gora-gora, because I think the movie starts. What time is the start of the movie? 8:15, guys. So the start of the movie is, we still have like 1 hour to prepare, guys. Okay, guys, so mamaya na lang ha. Ang dami ko na kasing sinasabi dito. Bye-bye!
Bye!
sure if the queue is going inside. But we are now 1 minute. Ayan ang ating GPS. Sabi ng ating tracker. Ayan. I'm not sure if on the left side is the entrance or the queue. Because everybody, some of the vehicles are turning kanan. So, we'll find out, guys. Ayan. So, it's 8:15. It's a Filipino time. Oh, kita nyo? So, this is Lunar Drive-In, guys. Ayan.
Oh,
ayun siya, oh.
Distance.
It's a bongalicious, guys. So, this is the queue nga. Papasok. So, we are turning left. So, ayan. Diba? Bongga. Late na naman tayo. Tayo ay Filipino time. Everybody. Ayan.
Okay, so all the early ones are sold out apparently.
Nako, ayan na yata si Chiang Mai. Is that Chiang Mai, ano na, or different movie?
Hopefully not. I thought there would be commercials at the start.
So, ayan na, guys. Looks like it's lot of ate in the area. So, yung radio niya dito, so anong radio yan? Naka-indicate naman sa paper doon, guys.
Yeah, so each field out here has its own radio station.
Yes. So, they have like a 4 screen there, different show too. So, eto na guys, magsistart na tayo. That's our Lunar Drive-In. So, hindi ko na kayo kanina kasi maulan. So, yung malapit na siya matapos, umulan na siya, guys. Buti na lang, comfy. Nasa loob lang tayo ng ating sasakyan. So, my experience, that was good, guys. Kasi maganda yung istorya din ni Shang-Chi and the Legend 10 Rings. Plus, nandun na kayo sa loob ng sasakyan. You don't need to bump your elbows kapag nasa sinihan kayo ordinarily. So, ordinary, diba? So, maganda siya. So, Jax paid for one car with two people. Is about 25 AUD. So, pag kinonvert yun sa peso, nasa 953 plus peso. So, depends kung ilang kayong manonood sa loob ng sasakyan. Meron silang ayon na amount kung ilan kayo. So, maganda yung palabas. So, after nun, guys, kailangan namin mag-exit kasi meron pa second na mga papasok for, I think, 11 o'clock PM. So, we need to look for the exit para naman yung iba makapasok na siya at makapark na sila for the next movie. So, same movie, meron tatlong screen doon. It's massive screen. And then different movies. The other one is The Good Guy. The other one is the Suicide Squad. And maganda yun, guys. Maganda experience yung Lunar Drive-In. And I'm not sure in the Philippines. I think in the Philippines now, they trying to introduce that drive-in. Hindi ka na nga pupunta sa loob sa sinihan. Pero kasi ngayon, bubuksan na yung sinihan. So, para mawawala naman siya. Maganda yung, guys, kasi meron three areas na may ganitong drive-in. So, ayun na nga, guys. Tanungin natin si Jax kung ano yung kanyang experience. So, Jax, how's the movie?
Yeah, I quite enjoyed it until it started raining. So, no, it was very good. It was actually good to like tilt the chair back in the car and sort of feel like you're in a recliner. Plus, we had our snacks between us. I have a fridge in the back, so yeah, very luxury. So yeah, thoroughly enjoyed it. Especially getting back to the cinema after not going since I think maybe February last year. Yeah, it's been like 18 months plus since we last went to the cinema.
Correct ka dyan.
So yeah, look forward to the cinemas opening up and yeah, seeing a lot more.
Thank you, Jax.
Salamat. Ayan.
So, ayun na nga, guys. Ayun na ating drive-in sa Lunar. Lunar drive-in yung tawag doon sa napuntahan namin for today. So, this is the end of our video for today. I'll close this video na, guys, kasi nga it's 11:40 na PM. So, it's time to fix the things, fix the face, and go to bed. So, this is the end of our video for today. I hope you enjoy watching, and I hope you had fun to our Lunar Drive-In, guys. The Shang-Chi and the Legend 10 Rings. Maganda talaga siya. Maganda siya, guys. So, thank you very much for watching, and mega love shoutout to each wonderful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Talamus, please like if you did enjoy my video for today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video, and please comment down below if you like this video po, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye, guys. Be good. You take care. Be safe, and ciao lang.